In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text left and right on the same line in Google Docs. This is really useful when you want something like a label on the left and a value on the right, or a name on one side and a date or page number on the other, all on a single line without things looking messy. Instead of hitting the spacebar over and over, we'll use a built-in Google Docs feature that keeps everything perfectly aligned, even if you change the font or the page size. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Click your cursor on the line where you want the left and right text to appear. It can be an existing line of text, or you can create a new line just by pressing Enter. Now, look at the top of your screen and find the ruler. If you don't see a ruler at the top of the page, go to the View menu and make sure Show Ruler is turned on. The ruler is important because we're going to use it to control where the right-aligned text starts. Next, type the text that you want to appear on the left side of the line. This might be something like name, total, or any label or piece of text you need. Once you've typed the left text, we need to insert a special kind of tab. On the ruler, click once somewhere toward the right side where you want your right-aligned text to end. Then, double-click that little marker or right-click near it and choose the option for a right tab. You'll know you have the correct one when the symbol on the ruler points to the left, indicating right alignment. With that right tab set, go back to your line of text. Place your cursor right after the left text and press the Tab key on your keyboard. You'll see the cursor jump to the position you just set on the ruler. Now you can type the text that you want aligned on the right side, such as a price, a date, or another short phrase. As you type, notice that it hugs the right tab position you created, staying neatly aligned with the right side of that ruler mark. If the spacing doesn't look quite right, you can fine-tune it. Simply grab the right tab marker on the ruler and drag it left or right until both pieces of text look balanced on the line. And that's it. You've aligned text left and right on the same line using right tab stops in Google Docs.